Are you tired of seeing empty shelves and high prices at the supermarket? Let's take a closer look at why prices are so high. The pandemic has caused supply chain disruptions, making it harder to transport goods and get them on the shelves. This has led to shortages of certain items, which then drives up the price. Disruptions in the production of goods are also a factor contributing to higher prices. For example, factories have been affected by COVID-19 restrictions and labor shortages, resulting in delays and shortages of products such as semiconductors. These products are essential for many electronic devices, and when there is a shortage, it can lead to higher prices for consumers. Another factor is the surge in demand for goods and services as the economy recovers from the pandemic. As people start to travel and participate in various activities, the demand for products like electronics, cars, and luxury goods has increased, causing prices to rise. This increased demand puts pressure on suppliers to produce more, which can lead to higher prices. Inflation is also a factor contributing to higher prices. Inflation is when the prices of goods and services rise over time, meaning you can buy less with the same amount of money. This can happen due to many factors, such as increased government spending or a decrease in the value of a currency. Weather disruptions such as wildfires and floods can also affect the production and transportation of goods, leading to higher prices. For example, wildfires have destroyed crops and livestock, causing shortages of certain foods and driving up prices. Floods can disrupt transportation routes, making it harder to transport goods, which can also lead to higher prices. So there you have it, the reasons behind the rise in prices. By understanding these factors, we can make informed decisions about our spending. It's important to remember that these factors are interconnected and have a global impact on the cost of goods and services. Thanks for staying until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you have any suggestions or questions, let us know in the comments below.